गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे प्लैनेट्स इन द सोलर सिस्टम। पूरे सोलर सिस्टम के प्लैनेट्स, मीटेरियोट जैसे जैसे का आज पूरा डेफिनेशन के साथ हम पढ़ेंगे। प्लैनेट्स इन द सोलर सिस्टम। द फर्स्ट प्लैनेट टू द सोलर सिस्टम इज मर्क्यूरी, and likewise there are 8 planets. First Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and eighth Neptune. This is the real image taken from the space by NASA. Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. It has no moons. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would only weigh 37 pounds on Mercury. It takes less than 88 Earth days for Mercury to orbit around the Sun. One day lasts about 180 Earth days. The temperature rises above 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while on the dark side it falls rapidly to minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus. Venus, second planet from the Sun, brightest planet in the solar system. Venus is known as Earth's twin sister because of its similar size and proximity to each other. Venus has a longer day than year. It takes 243 days for Venus to make a rotation, and it takes 224 days for one revolution. Earth, our home. The Earth is estimated to be 4.5 billion years old. It travels through space at 6,60,000 miles per hour. The Earth weighs 6,588 into 10 to the power 21 tons. The world is not round. It is an oblong spheroid flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the Sun. It can easily be seen from Earth. Mars is red because it is rusty. There is a lot of iron in the soil, and the air on Mars has made it red. The Mars orbits the Sun every 687 Earth's day. The Martian day is about half an hour longer than Earth. In winter, nighttime temperature can drop as low as minus 191 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's volume is large enough to contain 1,300 planets the size of Earth. Jupiter rotates faster than any planet in the solar system. It rotates so quickly that the days are only 10 hours long, but it takes 12 Earth years for Jupiter to complete an orbit around the Sun. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 264 pounds on Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet. Only Jupiter is larger. Saturn has 7 thin flat rings around it. The planet can be seen from Earth with the unaided eye, but its rings cannot. It is so light that it could actually float on water. If there was an ocean big enough to hold it, it takes about 29.46 Earth years for Saturn to orbit around the Sun. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of pieces of rocks and dust. Saturn is a giant ball of gas, but it does have a solid inner core. A 100-pound object on Earth would weigh 116 pounds on Saturn. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun because of the strange way it spins. Nights are small. Parts of Uranus can last for more than 40 years. The planet's most extraordinary feature is the tilt of its rotation axis, which is almost perpendicular to the plane of the ecliptic, which means that it alternately has its north pole and its south pole turned towards the sun. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus and Neptune are both known as ice giants. It takes 30,685 Earth days for 30,685 Earth days for Uranus to complete one rotation around the sun. Neptune. Neptune is so far away that it took the space probe Voyager 12 years to reach it. Neptune is the stormiest planet. The winds there can blow up to 1,240 miles per hour. That is 3 times as fast as Earth's hurricane. Neptune is a sea blue color due to the methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune has 8 known moons. Neptune is 30 times farther from the sun as in the Earth. It goes around the sun once every 165 Earth years. Comets. Comets is a ball of ice and dust that makes a tail when it approaches. Comets are also leftovers from when the universe was made. All comets have a nucleus that is the ice, dust, and rock in the comet. When the comet approaches the sun, the solar energy melts the ice and vaporizes. The gas from the comet make the tail. The gas also make a cloud all over the comet. Asteroid. An asteroid is a small rocky object that is in the solar system. Many of the asteroids in the solar system is orbiting the sun between Mars and Jupiter, called the asteroid belt. Asteroids are rocky fragments left over from the formation of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Meteor. Meteor is a small ball of light that appears in the night sky briefly. It is also called a shooting star. Some wish upon that meteor and make a wish. It is said that if you wish on a shooting star, your wish will come true. The meteor, when it falls down into the Earth's atmosphere, it burns up into a meteor or a shooting star. Meteorite. A meteorite is a small chunk of metal or rock that falls down to Earth or any other planet. An iron meteorite weighing small some 60,000 kg is the largest meteorite ever found. It still lies where it was found in 1920 at Houba Farm near Grootfontein, Namibia. Surprisingly, there is no crater because the meteorite entered the atmosphere at a long, shallow angle, was slowed down by the atmospheric drag. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.